For years, I relied on platforms like Jira to maintain my project schedules. In an effort to optimize resources, I started investigating how I could leverage my existing company tech stack to serve the same purpose. My company uses Google Workspace, so I simply asked Google Gemini, what is the best alternative within Workspace? The immediate answer? Google AppSheet. That one prompt started my low-code automation journey. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used AppSheet to build a fully functional project scheduling app in just 8 minutes. A huge advantage for many of you is that AppSheet Core is already included at no extra cost with most Google Workspace Business and Enterprise editions. This means you can build and deploy professional no-code apps using the tools you already pay for. When you first launch AppSheet, you'll see the main dashboard. You can browse through existing templates for inspiration, but if you have a specific vision like I did, simply select Start with an Idea to begin your custom build. Launch Gemini in AppSheet and type this prompt: create a project tracker that I can put project task, free text, project subtask, free text, project start date, date prompt, project end date, date prompt, project owner, free text, project status, drop-down box of open, in progress, completed, project owner, free text, and remark, free text. User can add, edit, and delete each project task. Very soon you can see how the magic works. And just like that, Gemini and AppSheet have architected our data. It created 3 distinct tables: projects for our high-level headers, tasks for our main milestones, and a subtasks table for the granular details. This relational structure is exactly what a professional schedule needs. From here, you can easily add or edit columns to fit your specific workflow. Look at the statuses column. It already predefined the 3 categories I asked for. Pretty impressive for a single prompt, right? Here is the list of column type you can choose from. Once you're happy with the structure, just click Create App. In a matter of seconds, you'll see that magic notification. Your app is ready! Just like that, we've gone from a simple idea to a functional project management tool. It's an incredible feeling to see it all come together so fast. Now that the app is live, I'm ready to start managing my real-world schedules. First, a quick housekeeping tip. I'll clear out the sample data Gemini generated so I have a clean slate. Then, I'll begin inputting my actual project details. The best part? Since this is a cloud-native app, I can switch between my desktop, tablet, or mobile seamlessly, choosing the view that works best for me while I'm on the go. Beyond the AI interface, you have complete control over the architecture. You can dive into the table properties or access the back-end database directly. Whether you need to adjust column settings, update data types, or scale the app with new fields later on, the flexibility is all there. You're never locked into what the AI first generates. Once you've tested the functionality and you're ready for go live, look for the Not Deployed icon on the left sidebar. AppSheet will run a quick health check on your app's status. If everything looks good, simply select Move App to Deployed State. Once that's done, you'll receive your official app URL ready to be shared with your team or used for your daily project tracking. And that's it! From a single prompt to a fully deployed app in minutes. Pretty cool, right? During this build, I discovered that we've only scratched the surface. AppSheet's actions and automations can take this even further. I'm planning to dive into those features in a future video, so stay tuned. In the meantime, if you have a specific workflow or idea you'd like to see me build in AppSheet, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your challenges. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a like and share it with any colleagues or friends who are looking to streamline their workflows. Your support helps me continue creating high-value content for the community. Don't forget to subscribe to the Projector House for more insights into AI and project management. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. See you next time.